Spice a drunk cause you're not friend them.
No, what on. Team Spice. When I'm gonna say something, me talk, all the things them talk already and done. Spice, no worry yourself. We have your back. Sorry, not to come to light off from here.
The question is, what's your view upon the whole saga or the unravel on social media, the whole Spice situation?
I mean, respect Bono when nobody wants it. Mr. Spice. Spice, one love sister. We love. We don't respect anybody wants it. 7-time rise and fall, Sister Spice. No worry yourself. To God be the glory, great things he has done. You say born and see, liar, refer your band. 7-time rise and 7-time fall. Spice, no worry yourself. Center Point Plaza, shop 29. Mobile with them. And we have your back, no watch over your fans. And we now left you, no way, Spice. Here by Lisa, here by Sue, here by Tash, here by Tia, here by Denise. Pick up yourself. Spice, we have your back, sister, no worry. What do you want to say? And we never taught the other part, because we don't believe there was something there. We know it's the one we are not God we are. Pick up yourself, grace. That me just said, grace every time. Alright. We not no bad mind. Okay, I mean just think about it just like you, some know what you talk about. Pick up your good, nice, clean, look good by yourself. Pick up Rasta. Yeah. Pick up Rasta too.
RT boss is a Batman with your Batman religion. TC rebel, pretty stop following ungrateful. You all of them, but them chip up them knee and go out them back at them. When me come and work and puff off my finger head when me do fingernail, me can't complain. I'm a money me a work. Them ungrateful. Me. Spice to run the whole of them. Yeah. But all of them. Yeah. And follow.
Welcome to Glam Doll Extensions. We provide 100% luxurious human hair. 360 lace wigs, full lace wigs, lace frontal closures and bundles. We also have mink lashes and other hair products. We also have a salon here, so we offer lace services. We offer braiding here, nail technician is here. We offer braces and piercing, teeth whitening. It's a one-stop shop for the ladies. So goody, when you come in here, you go outside walking like a Barbie. We also have all natural veggie stuff. So no matter what the little issue be, you can come here and everything fresh after. You can find us on Instagram at glam_doll_extensions. Our address is upstairs Island Grill, shop 24, Center Point Plaza. In all honesty, I love Team Spice and I love Spice, and hopefully the situation that's happening between them, they probably can move off of social media a bit and just handle it privately. Because to say artists, you know, taking out young people with them, it's a case where you don't really find artists give young people that kind of platform to showcase their talent. So hopefully in the end, they can work out this is the issue.
Nails by Kerry, shop 26 Center Point Plaza. Me a business woman too. Support my business. You can also find me on Instagram, Nails by Kerry. All the way a woman, I'm feeling pain. So here we are. Oh, God bless no man curse. Just hold up your head high. Remember your children them. Don't follow social media. Big up yourself. Bye.
Well, my view is the nigga will come out first, they talk about you and so him should have just sit down or go sleep. Because first of all, you can't try to bring down a woman, you see me? You is a man. So you should have tried to bring down a woman in such way and go there say, yo, because she don't help you. Because as Spice upon her life, I don't know if you did upon Spice live last night, when Spice said when she did the baka boom boom and all of them, I tried to make her sound clear. Nobody never did it, you see me? And she used to sleep and roasted or whatsoever.
Yeah.
To me, everybody have them time. Yeah. Just Spice time now. And them
follow her.
They just follow the woman. I just let her my time.
Dirty RT boss, go wash out.
RT boss. Leave the woman alone, RT boss. That means yeah.
What is managing religion?
Oh my God.
Spice talk cocky when you want to hear nothing about Spice. Spice a drunk because you're not friend them. We don't want to hear nothing about that. I mean, you can be able to find a jacket because Spice a drunk from morning. I hear nothing more.
Hold it. You know, say woman them go beat up.
Spice a dog fit.
Spice of my G, yes? So this is what bad man have to say. Spice a star, you can't bring her a star because star never left sky. Yeah, and she been in the sky already. You know, understand? And when you're born to win, you can't lose. Well, people go always be people in. You can't tell people what to say. Because remember, people were crucified God. So I just spare time now for them do what they do. And they must still know God, so they can't bring her down. You see me? Yeah. Team Spice, yeah, because she good. Good like gold.
Dog.
She was so feel weird. Don't go and go and chat.
Talk up, see my the talk.
What?
Justin, if you're my spiritual advisor, then how am I the criticizer? You see? Him not real. That's how I know and that's something I feel. I feel much I sell out Spice to eat a meal. But watch how I go on. The street no follow mix up, we just keep it real. That's the deal. I'm out. So sick, you see that?
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.